So for the vocabulary project, I'm going to be covering vocabulary words with third graders. The title and genre of the text that I'll be using is any vocabulary book that the English or reading instructor is using. So for the vocabulary strategy, I am going to be using words that the English teacher is going over with the students at the time and taping those on the wall. The students will be going through as partners and counting the or reading the word and then tossing a ball saying each letter, and then however many letters are in that word, they are going to be saying that that many times while doing jumping jacks. So not only does this help them with their reading, but it's also going to help them with their cardio during the jumping jacks, and then their throwing ability whenever they're just throwing the ball back and forth. How I came across this strategy was during my elementary methods course here taken at Emporia State. Why I would use this strategy, it's great for not only physical education and throwing ability, catching ability, and then cardio. It's a great to help the students with their spelling and pronunciation of the word. How I would integrate the vocabulary strategy into this lesson, I would go to the English teacher and talk to her about the vocabulary words that they're going over at the time and using those words as they can, so it helps them read the word, understand it, and then also helps them stay active during the PE class. How I think the strategy will help the students read, it's helping them to understand how each letter is pronounced, and then as the word is brought together, they're saying it, they are pronunciating it right, or if they're not, their partner can help them pronunciate it right, so that whenever they get into the English course, they know the words and they can better themselves in not only my class but also that teacher's. How I would assess if the vocabulary strategy helped the students. For this, I'm going to be standing at one word and making sure that the students are spelling the word right and then pronunciating it right, and then helping that way if they're needing some help. So, for example, I would have the word consider up on the wall, so the students would go up and have a ball between the two of them, and they're going to go C as one partner throws it, the other partner's going to go O, N, S, I, D, E, R, and then it has 8 letters in the word, so they're going to be doing 8 jumping jacks. So that is how I'm going to help the students not only in my class with their vocabulary, but also the English teachers, so that they can understand the words better.